What's going on, everyone? Just another quick recap for you guys. I did trade Asia Gold today, and I did post my win in the BG trading right here, and it was honestly a pretty easy win. I'm not even gonna lie. It literally followed my model perfectly down to a T. So I took it across 3 qualified accounts, and then I made $300 across 3 accounts. So I guess $900, and I'm literally just gonna be talking about how I was how I took the trade, obviously. So we were moving very, very bullish. I mean, we opened a lot higher. We never filled this gap, and usually we don't. If we open higher on a Sunday, we usually don't fill this gap, and then we continue higher. So I was really looking for a 15-minute retrace. Now you guys might be asking, well, why didn't you take this setup? I didn't like the RR on it, and I also wasn't on the charts, and that was a big thing. So that's why I didn't take this first setup. But I knew that a setup was going to present itself around 6:45, 7 o'clock Central, and that's exactly what happened, right? So we had this 15-minute fair value gap, which we tapped into. So we had this 15-minute here, right? I can mark it out for you guys just so you guys can see it even better. And we were also inside a 1 hour bearish fair value gap, so we barely tapped at 15 minutes, and I wanted to see price inverse this 1 hour, which we did. We also, on the leg down, created a 2-minute fair value gap, which was the highest time frame. So we inversed this, and I entered pretty much on this candle after we inversed it because I really did like this momentum. And that's a big thing because if you're gonna enter off of a candle, you want to see like very, very strong bullish or very strong bearish to confirm your bias even more. So I mean, I did get a pretty late fill, and I was only risking around $300. But I really did like the setup because we had highs here, and then we had this high here, and then we had a unfilled daily bearish fair value gap above. So I mean, overall, pretty much everything that I talked about, right? So we had bullish fair value gaps off of open, retrace, and then we formed a highest time frame fair value gap, which we inversed. Took pretty much this with, and there was also highs like higher, so it was pretty much I think it was like a 1 point. The RR was kind of cooked, I'm not gonna lie, because I got entered late. But yeah, still like a 1.5 RR. I did get actually stopped out because I was trailing my stop, so I actually did make only like this. But still, a 1.3 RR trade, not bad to start off the year. This is my first trade of the year, and yeah, hopefully we can catch a lot more dubs. So I'm assuming a lot of you guys took this trade if you are trading my strategy. And yeah, have a great rest of your day, and I will see y'all later.